What?
What?
Why are you laughing? You think we're crazy?
You think we're crazy.
I don't think we're crazy.
I don't think we're crazy either.
I think everyone else is going to think we're crazy.
I think everyone else is going to think, what the f are we doing?
You can't say the F word.
Fudge.
We just looked at RVs for the very first time.
We're crazy.
Yes, we would rather be looking at sailboats, but that's still several years away. So we are looking for our next adventure.
I think an RV is going to be a good in-between house and boat.
That's what I hope. We're gonna start going tiny now, and by the time we get to the boat, it'll feel like a mansion.
Yeah.
If you've never been to Virginia during August, you probably don't know how hot and humid it can really get. So on the day that we got to do a full tour of the Winnebago before we bought it, our lovely salesman actually had the generator running, which was great for us, but means that all the audio from our walk around was basically useless. So yeah, this is a walk around of the outside. It was a brand new 2020, was brand new, nobody had ever used it. Adventurer 33C. It's a Class A motorhome. It's 34 feet long. It's a gas model, not a diesel. Unfortunately, a brand new diesel was not in our price range. And we did a walk around and kind of opened all of the doors and the holds. But it's pretty nice. It has a lot of built-in features that we don't see. I guess we've since learned that aren't included in every motorhome. Some things like the ladder on the back and a rear backup camera and side cameras. There's a lot of cool stuff that was included, and we got really lucky with this purchase. So inside, we start right in the stairwell here, and this is just the basic color scheme. It was pretty nice, not exactly to our taste, but there's actually a huge shortage of motorhomes right now. They're so behind. They've gotten behind with manufacturing due to COVID, and then also just a ton of new campers. We're looking for motorhomes in 2020 to try to get out safely and not be cooped up at home. So we were pretty lucky to find this one. It was only about an hour from our house, and we went just specifically to see this model because we'd seen the floor plan online and we really liked it. So right here I'm showing that this actually has a flip out desk, which is pretty cool. You can actually work on a laptop or going down the road, or you can sit here and use this as a desk if you're maybe working from the road or working from a campground. There's power back there too. There's some regular household outlets. It's got a pretty nice screen with backup cameras. It's got self-leveling. It's got a lot of included things. So here is our kind of living area, and there's a lot of storage. You can see those are really deep. And they go all the way across above the couch, and the couch is a fold out, but it's not like a jackknife or like a normal hideaway. It's like a tri-fold system. This is like a coat closet. We actually took a couple of pieces of plywood and made some extra shelves for that, which we'll show you later. Then we have a dining area. This little table extends if you want to seat 4 people. And then back there is the televator. So the TV, it's a 50-inch TV that pops up from inside that cabinet, but you can stow it when you're not using it. And then there's some more storage. That's pretty shallow, but on either side it's really deep. Now we're going into the kitchen. And it came with some bamboo cutting boards to cover the sink if you need extra counter space. Nice little coffee cabinet. We keep our coffee pot there. And then there's just one big cabinet upper where you put all your dishes, but we do have some really nice drawers there. The refrigerator is humongous, absolutely humongous. And this is, it can run on propane or on electric. Then the washer and dryer right here, it's a stackable, so I've heard they work a lot better than the combo units that usually get put into RVs. And then the bedroom, so there's a king size bed and a pretty nice size closet. There's also some drawers down there, and then the bed lifts. I'm showing that there's the table that goes up in the front if you want it, but really nice size closet. And really deep, big, usable drawers, very good quality. Nice headboard, some more storage above the headboard there. The little cabinets on the side are where the power are. And then, like I said, the bed lifts up. There's the whole entire thing under the bed is storage. And there's a kind of all of the controls for the whole RV in one spot, which is really nice. And then the bathroom, it's very small, but it's totally adequate for 2 people. Actually a really good size shower. I wasn't expecting it to be as large as it is. You can definitely turn all the way around in there. Plenty of room for your elbows. And not very much storage on the bottom, but there is a ton of storage on the top. So the medicine cabinet is huge and very deep. Actually stores things really well. And then you get these extra, shallow cabinets, but they're deep enough. We've got in-floor heat, and then of course the AC on the roof. If you liked our video, please be sure to subscribe, and next week we'll show you our very first camping trip in the RV.
You see yourself real time.
So, I can do the eyeballs. Look real time. See myself.
What are we gonna say?
We're gonna say we're here at the supercharger. One's broken. Would not recommend.
Say that again without your hand in your mouth. Stop being weird. You're not talking on the camera.
Nope.
Why?
Not today.
How come? What if later, when we're starting our YouTube channel, we want just a little snippet of video of us going, we looked at RVs today! You can splice in, right?
Splice.
Before we tell people what the hell we're doing.
Yeah.
Why are you buying an RV? You're a sailing channel. When I watch the videos, I like it better when you're talking.
Why?
Because I don't like listening to myself.
Same though.